So hello, me again, and today we're going to show you MW3 on Pro instead of MW2 on Pro. And here with Adam from his other YouTube videos, his name is Lego King. Subscribe to me and him. His name is Lego King 4561. My name is...
Obviously it's going to be my... Obviously because that's the channel you're watching it on, so thank you very much.
Yeah, that's the channel you're watching it on, so please subscribe. And
subscribe, rate, comment!
And if you have the time, please
rate and comment.
Please rate and comment, and look up Dog Eats Ice Cream from one of my videos. Actually don't look up that. Look up Car Rides Gone Wild, and if you do, it's not about Car Rides Gone Wild. I had a typo. So, here it is. So
Pro style using that M16 suppress, try hard, slot fan, hardline.
Cool. Just do your thing. Back. See, this is what I mean. He's a fail.
Going 62 and 7, so shut up.
No. Let's see that. Open it up.
I did.
No, you didn't. Yeah, because he doesn't want to admit it. You see, he thinks he's good, but he's not.
Make that 67 and 7.
Oh, actually, no. Make it
that 67 and 8.
Yeah, well.
Game over.
Need for Speed on the Run. That Black Ops case. Look at that Black Ops case. Where do you...
So sexy, y'all.
Look, what do you... An MW3 case with MW2. That's a good way to treat games. And I think he backed out because he wasn't doing very good. Then he rejoins. So, yep. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to him. Have a nice day, everyone. You subscribe to all. And look up on YouTube, Barely Political. Their videos are very funny. Look up What Makes You Beautiful parody and all the other parodies. Extremely funny, everyone. And subscribe to Barely Political. What the?
Dog boy!
Okay. See you guys.